Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Basically, if you want to increase or decrease the brightness of your screen. So let's get started. So to adjust the screen brightness, wake up the screen, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here you should see this sun icon. This is the brightness icon. Tap on it. And right here we have the brightness slider, and you can adjust the brightness by swiping up and down on this slider. You can also enable or disable the auto brightness. In the auto brightness, basically adjust the brightness automatically according to the surrounding light of the watch. It has a sensor and it basically determines the brightness according to that sensor. And the one change between the automatic and the manual brightness is that if you enable the automatic brightness, the watch will change the brightness maybe not constantly, but a lot of times. It will basically adjust the brightness automatically for you. And if you want the brightness to stay at specific level that you set it to and stay at that level constantly, you need to use the manual brightness. So that's the difference between both. Pick your poison, of course. I, for example, prefer the static brightness, the one that I set to on the screen, but maybe you prefer the automatic one. So test it out. Check the option you like, and once you're done adjusting the brightness, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the screen brightness or adjust the screen brightness on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.